Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to do a stuffed bacon wrapped hog backstrap. Stay tuned. Alright, so I've already prepped my backstrap. I put it in Worcestershire earlier today. Kind of gets the meat all juicy. And that's half a cup of Worcestershire. And just pour the excess out in the sink and do away with it. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna butterfly cut these back straps. So that means make a cut down the middle and then kind of fillet it so that it opens out like this. Should look like that when you're done with it. And then you can, once you stuff it, you just fold it back over. Now what we're gonna do is salt and pepper the inside of this after butterflying it. And you don't want a whole lot, but I don't think it's enough for a measurement either. So just kind of sprinkle it, let it sit there, and then now we're gonna mix up our pepper jelly and our cream cheese together. And we're gonna do half a block of cream cheese per backstrap, or per half of backstrap. This is one full backstrap cut in half. Alright, so the cream cheese, I set it out earlier so that it could come to room temperature. And then we're only gonna do half of the jar of the jam. So alright, that's about half. So mix this up. Now what we're going to do is chop half an onion, and each half of a backstrap gets a quarter of an onion. Alright, once you've got your onion chopped, we're going to go ahead and add our brown sugar. That just kind of helps caramelize that onion. You don't want a whole lot of this because you don't want it to overpower. But we're going for that sweet and spicy mixture on this pork. And then take your hands and kind of spread that in. Now we'll take our onion. And once that's done, we're going to add our cream cheese and jam spread. Now that we've got our backstrap stuffed, it's time to close them up and wrap them in bacon. So just fold your butterflies over. Make sure all that stuff stays in there. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is take whatever seasoning you like. This is the Slap Your Mama's seasoning. and just kind of spread it over the top. Again, you don't want a lot. Once you've got it wrapped, you're going to take your butcher's twine and cut probably 4 or 5 nominal strings, and then you'll tie it all in. That keeps all that stuffing together in the bacon wrapped while it's grilling. Alright, we've got our product ready for the grill. So it's hot, it's about 570 right now. So we're gonna put it on for 20 minutes and let that get a good sear. And we'll pull it off, turn that temperature down to 250, and then we're gonna wrap it in full and put it on there for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna take these off, take them inside and wrap them full. There's a good look at them. Alright, we've got them wrapped in full. Actual temp is coming down to 250. It's okay to put them on a little earlier. It'll come down. So we're gonna leave them on there for about 2.5 hours and then check them out. See you in a few. Alright folks, it's time to pull these back straps off. A little side note, whenever you're cooking wild hog, you want to make sure the internal temperature of the meat is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You can get trichinosis if it's not cooked to the right temperature, and we don't want that. So let's go see how we did. Alright, we've got the final product and then the cut up version that I've already tested. I appreciate everybody watching. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, you can comment. Thank you.